Easy Articulator enables 90% of mandibular movements. 3 rotation axes enable free mandibular movements and helps on checking the occlusal interference in each patient. The flat spring presents stability and helps putting on and off easily. BIRDSOLE Articulator enables a natural mandibular movement with its central rotation axis on the center and central rotation axis and supporting part with a structure for the horizontal movement. The central rotation axis capable of horizontal movement and free space on both sides enable a wide lateral movement. BIRDSOLE Inc.'s new technology reproduces 90% of mandibular movements. The occlusal habit identified in the patient's teeth is utilized to form a harmonious occlusion and eliminate occlusal interference. BIRDSOLE Articulator can check on the occlusal interference that cannot be checked a simple articulator. Also, patients show higher satisfaction for less chair time. The virtuous cycle system for happiness of everyone. Try BIRDSOLE.